Y'all, today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Nike Dunk Low University Blue second review.
What are you doing? You saying your prayers?
Today I'm going to be doing these shoes. I won them off of the Sneakers app, and I'm super happy because I was able to get gray size as well. So yeah. Now this is our box. We have our regular Nike box. Woo! These, I did not want to wear them before I did the review because of the white. So this is our shoe. Very simple colorway. So our toe box is white. Around our toe box is blue. Our upper is white. Our Nike swoosh is blue. Our heel is blue and white, and our Nike branding on the tongue is in blue, like the heel is blue and the Nike is in white. We have our blue shoestrings. Our tongue is white, and on our tongue we have the Nike symbol, like the Nike branding, and it's engraved in blue. And our sole of our insole of our shoe is blue, and the sole is blue. So honestly, very, very simple, super simple colorway. This is the NF5, so this is a 5 grade size. Still the same as the men's 5, honestly. I don't really think there's that much of a difference. But like I said, size 5. If you do wear a 7 in women, I recommend you get a 5 in low dunks. I don't know, they just kind of fit better to me instead of getting a 5.5. So they didn't come with any other laces, I don't think. And I'm kind of happy because I don't think the white would look good on this shoe, white laces. But to each his own. But I really, really like these dunks, and I really like this blue colorway. Like, love it. When the other blue colorway came out with the yellow Nike branding on the heel, I was hurt that I didn't get those, and the resale was absolutely ridiculous. So when I hit on these shoes, girl, I was happy as can be because literally I wanted these shoes so bad. I was so thirsty, and I entered on like some. I'm gonna just enter because I didn't win on Nordstrom. I couldn't get through on the other sites. I woke up like late, and I literally entered and I locked my phone and said, "You got them," and I said, "I got them," because I never get them. They always, "You didn't win, you didn't win." Email. So I'm super hyped about these shoes. No dislikes on this shoe. Honestly, it would have been super cool if they had this color lace on them because I like yellow and blue together, but no dislikes. Really like them. So thank you so much for watching my review. I hope that you guys like the shoes as much as I like them. Let me know in the comments if you got them, if you're gonna get them after you see this video, or just how you feel about them. Like, they're really a hit or a miss because there's only 2 colors in the shoe, so it's really not that much that can be nitpicked with. But I really like these shoes, and I recommend that anybody who wants them goes and gets them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video.